Hello, viewers. Welcome back and happy festive season to everybody. Last time, I would just like to inform all the viewers that thank you for your response. हमने बहुत अच्छा बल्कि पवन भी आपको बताएंगे कि पिछला सेल कैसा रहा.
बहुत अच्छा सेल रहा, सारे सोल्ड हो गए, कोई भी पीस नहीं
बिल्कुल. I would say 98% जो हमने लास्ट सेल में दिखाया था, everything is sold. So thanks to the viewers for showing your trust, your confidence in us. And we really appreciate that, and we've always delivered, and we are trying to improve each and every release that we offer, and in each and every collection we're trying to improve ourselves. So thank you very much, and do like this video. Like I promised, हमने promise किया था कि 3 वीडियो हम बैक टू बैक इस नवरात्रे हम आपको दिखाएंगे, और इस बीच ये सेकंड वीडियो है, और ये मेनली शर्ट्स का है, विच इज फॉर्मल शर्ट्स, कैजुअल शर्ट्स, वेरी फ्यू हाफ शर्ट्स, एंड बहुत थोड़े माइनर हैं, वो हम आपको दिखा के, और दैट इज योर चॉइस, दैट वुड बी ऑन अ क्रेजी प्राइस. So we'll begin with size wise, and we've done it size wise, small, medium, large, XL. We've done it in ascending order. तो आपके लिए बहुत easy होगा. First we are showing you size small. So new clean pieces, just authentic, 1 to 2 or maximum 3 years old. That's it. You can see this, a lovely Chinese collar, and the size is 40-41. During the sale, there is no exchange or return. So, apne size, please ask for your size, send us your requirement so that we can measure and send it to you. This looks like a 40-41. It's a sale, so the price, Pawan will tell you.
899.
G. 899. So beautiful shirt. That was a formal shirt. This is a casual shirt. ये देखिए, the lovely this guy surfing with lovely islands all across. Half shirt, size 40.
Size 40.
899.
899.
899. And another beautiful tropical holiday shirt with these lovely leaves. देख सकते हैं. So the fabric is nice, the button coordination, everything authentic.
Size
Neat
40.
and clean pieces without any sort of dust or stain. जो अगर छोटा प्रॉब्लम होगा वो हम आपको दिखाएंगे बाद में. इन सबको हमने क्वालिटी चेक इनका कर चुके हैं. They are neat and clean pieces.
Only 899.
Only 899. Now a formal shirt आ रहा है. ये formal shirt, again size, we are showing you small size. I think this should be a Pawan 40.
40.
Yeah, 40. And you can see lovely fabric. इसमें देखिए the weave in between. You can see the stripes in between, very tiny stripes. So lovely article, formal shirt.
ये भी 899.
Okay. Now this lovely fabric over here. You can see, I think this is a extra small. हम लोग नाप देते हैं इसको. That's the logo there. The lovely bee. And इसका जो placket है, इसका the shirt River Island. It's known for its fabric and the fit. ये देखिए. It's got this. And it's slightly, I think it looks like a 38. तो ये देखिए नीचे वहाँ पे भी. So all neat and clean pieces, a very unique color, a light mauve-ish color. ये देखिए, it's a complete 36, 37. 36, 37. If we go up, it could be a 38
38.
from under the
899.
890. But okay, another casual shirt. It's a red and blue checks. You can see there a casual shirt with pocket. और यहाँ पे जो है, you can see the पीछे से it's got a pleat.
Size 40.
40-41. जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए during the sale. This is a sale and this is a festive sale. So बहुत जल्दी से आप अपने screenshots हमें भेजिए, and whatever you like, we will send you the measurements again. Right now we are showing you size small. जब हम medium दिखाएंगे आपको बताएंगे. ये currently all are size small, which is between 38 to 40, 41.
899.
ये देखिए. This is got a crippled feel. So अगर you can actually feel the lines here, and ये देखिए इट्स HE MNG, पीछे से कुछ देखिए, नो प्लीट्स एट द बैक.
899 40 size.
Okay, now this is a very nice shirt.
Very nice.
Very nice. You got the kangaroo print all over. Let's see if it has stretch. Yes, it does. So ये stretchable भी है,
हाँ
and a size 40, 41.
899
पीछे से दिखाइए. Only 899 flat price.
899 ले जाओ जल्दी जल्दी, सेल आ गई आपके लिए.
जी. Very good, Pearl. Very nice. ये देखिए. Chinese collar and linen fabric, है ना?
हाँ.
Stripe, khadi
42.
linen fabric. Looks like it's a small, but I think 40, 42, 41, 42.
899
Okay, a lovely denim shirt. Thin fabric, summer article.
40
sleeve.
41
40, 41. पीछे से pleat है? No.
899
899 flat price. ये देखिए. Another beautiful article. Can be worn formally as
Size
well
40
with a pocket.
40 41
40, 41. Lovely stripe combination.
899
Thin, thick, both. Okay, a pre-winter black shirt. Double pocket. It's a little dusty because black gathers dust. But this size is 42, I think.
42
42. It's got this loop at the back and a pleat. 899. जल्दी से order करिए. Okay, this fabric, I think again 42.
42
42.
40
And linen. Fabric is linen, full sleeve. It can be worn formally.
899
Only 899. Okay, this beautiful piece here, viewers. Casual shirt, double pocket, a lovely lemon color. You can see the work, and it's got this written at the back. Size छोटा है. Actually, we are still showing you small. वो गलती से दो 3 42 आ गए थे. This is a 40. And look at the work on the sleeve. Yeah, this is beautiful. And the best part, this loop on the shoulder, a detachable loop from one end. ये देखिए,
ये भी 899 कर दिया आपके लिए.
बिल्कुल. ये देखिए. Now ultra thin fabric, formal shirt, and this lovely logo there, a unique logo of a sort of a butterfly. Cedarwood State is the label. It's a moth or a butterfly. So very unique article. ये जल्दी से नहीं मिलता है, and it hardly weighs about 10-15 grams. So size 40. Yeah.
899
Okay, formal shirt, light fabric, very nice color combination. This pink and the blue looks very nice. They complement each other. Size 40, full
40.
sleeve, can be worn formally with a pleat at the back.
899
Okay, a linen shirt, half shirt, a linen blue. जल्दी से grab करिए. These are really very nice articles.
40
Neat,
41
clean and authentic.
half sleeve.
Half sleeve. It doesn't have a pleat. So 899. ये देखिए. A formal shirt with embroidery there. Short collars. Smart shirt.
size 40
Size 40.
899
899. Small दिखा चुके हैं आपको. Now we are showing you medium. Medium इनमें, because these are mostly exports, so medium could be a 42 plus. So lovely double pocket with stone button. देखिए. Beautiful shirt, olive green.
42 size.
Yeah, looks like a 42. लिखा medium है. पीछे से it's got this lovely pattern. So it looks very nice with denims and cargo jeans.
899
899. Yeah. Okay, another black shirt. Again, this is medium, 42. Lovely double pocket. And look at the work here. You देखिए work on the sleeve and everything. Looks very nice with the buttons here. Gabardine cotton है. So थोड़ा सा faded look है इसका. It's not a defect. It's part of the styling. And ये देखिए these threads and all that. It's a part of the rugged look. And ये पीछे. It's got this beautiful work. सो वेरी यूनिक शर्ट्स, ये आपको जल्दी से मार्केट में नहीं मिलेंगे, जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए। पवन आपको प्राइस एंड साइज
899
केवल 899, जल्दी से ग्रैब करिए। ये नवरात्रि स्पेशल है, दुर्गा पूजा स्पेशल है, फेस्टिव ऑफर है। वेरी क्लासी शर्ट्स अगेन, आई थिंक दिस इज लुक्स लाइक अ 42, या 42, a lovely very light
899
very light ऑक्सफोर्ड शर्ट, लाइट वेट ऑक्सफोर्ड शर्ट। पीछे प्लीट दिखाइए, या
899
okay, a nice check shirt. This is 42 plus,
42
and you can see this embroidery work here and button down, slim fit लिखा है लेकिन 42 है। प्लीट है पीछे दिखाइए,
899
only 899 viewers. Now this is a medium, excellent piece, outstanding, you can see there, and it's got this net inside, very short collars, button down collars, lovely check pattern, the color combination is very very classy, and it's a size 41, 42.
42
It's got this here, and it's got a little bit of embroidery at the back, so this is part of the style. In any case ये tuck in हो जाता है, if you wear it out on jeans, that's the style at the back.
899
Only 899.
899
जल्दी से you can quickly send us screenshots. This is a beautiful shirt and very exquisite
42
Oxford
plus
42 plus, very nice Oxford shirt, and you can see this can be worn formally as well. So it's got the works here, ये देखिए, it's got this
899
and it's got the pleat at the back. Size हम बता चुके हैं 42 plus, 42, 43. Okay. Now half sleeve, light cotton, and you can see the flying goat here, and it's a size 42.
42 899
Oxford, light Oxford, formal shirt. Viewers, जल्दी से grab करिए. This is a must-have article. It's got this 3D logo there. It's 3D actually. It's actually three-dimensional because it's
42,
coming out.
43.
It's a lot of embroidery work there. And does it have a placket? No, it doesn't. But it has authentic buttons, neat and clean piece in the sale. So you can
42
quickly grab
43
this. 42 plus.
899
Okay, so this is also a semi-formal shirt, can be worn formally as well, and size is 42,
42
lightweight
43.
cotton fabric, and yeah, everything here is authentic. We're showing you some of them. We'll show you the wash care and everything.
899
It's just maximum 1 to 3 seasons old. Okay, this looks like a smaller size, नहीं? You have to measure this one एक बार, because कभी-कभी हो जाता है ये medium. If it's a slim fit, it can be a 40 or a 41. In any case, viewers, please send us the screenshot. हम dispatch करने से पहले आपको measure करके देंगे. ये 21 है, exact 42.
42 899
Only 899. Okay, this is a very unique shirt, very light. Again, maybe 20 grams. Very thin cotton. You can see here. You can see the details here. Yeah, men's home, and very very classy shirt. Very
42.
lightweight cotton shirt. It
Size
feels like
40.
silk, but it is cotton. पीछे से दिखाइए कोई pleat है?
नहीं,
नहीं. 42 price
899.
only 899. Yeah. Okay, this is again a lovely shirt with it's about 20 grams. Again बहुत ही light है, मलमल का जैसे कपड़ा होता है वैसा है, and you can see this is the label there. Subdivision
जा
of
सकते हो
RL,
इसको पहन के
Denim and Supply, and the size mentioned is medium,
मीडियम
and
40 41
ये देखिए this one is lovely. So very light, thin मलमल कपड़ा है, very thin and
899
very stylish. Casual shirt, जल्दी से order करिए. ये देखिए, it's a very classy shirt with these lovely stone buttons, double pocket. So it's got that cowboy feel. So you can see the detailing here. Three buttons here. Very stylish. And the fabric of this particular label is very nice. The wash on the fabric and the pattern.
40, 41, 899.
Okay, this is a formal shirt, size 42.
42.
Flat price 899. जल्दी order करिए. देखिए, fabric is classy, neat and clean pieces, thin fabric, summer article. Okay, viewers, this is a very lightweight shirt. It looks like a winterish fabric. It is brushed cotton, but बहुत ही light है ये. So it can be worn till 35, 40 degrees as well.
42.
So, yeah, 42 slim fit hai. It's a size 42 and a lovely combination. The grey and the rust are really matching with each other. It's a very unique combination.
899.
Looks good with blue, khakis and all colors. So it's a universal color
899.
combination there. ये देखिए, a very nice shirt, a unique
42
label.
plus.
जल्दी से ये मिलेगा भी नहीं. Berto and a lovely
42
little bird
plus.
there. Not that logo. I don't know if it's a bird. Yeah, it looks like a kingfisher bird. Anyway, so ये देखिए पीछे से size 42 only 899.
899.
Okay, viewers, this Chinese collar, formal shirt with the placket and the collar in the same color, white, and the rest of it is blue.
40, 41.
41?
899.
41 है?
हाँ.
Okay, maybe 41, maybe 42.
890.
Send us your screenshots. We'll send you the exact size. ये देखिए, again a nice shirt, a simple, nice formal shirt.
Size 42.
42,
899.
899. Again 899.
899. 42 size.
42, and this shirt, it doesn't have buttons. ये cufflink वाला shirt है. So you can see that you need to buy cufflinks for this. So price बता दिया?
899.
890. So all large size we are showing you right now, 42 plus.
42
This shirt, this is an awesome shirt with the fabric is very, very nice. A formal shirt and this outstanding blue and dark blue and light blue combination. It's a lovely formal shirt,
899.
very exquisite. Very light fabric with this pineapple all over,
42.
pineapple print, and Saks Fifth Avenue. You can see it's a US label, and पीछे से दिखाइए. Yeah.
All over.
So it's a very casual shirt, lightweight,
$8.99.
$8.99 flat price. Now the next shirt, we move on. Again, size large. Size large. ये देखिए.
42 plus.
It's a nice color combination, the orange and blue, and it's got a pocket, size 42 plus. ये देखिए. So it can be worn
$8.99.
formally. पीछे pleat है कि नहीं? Yes, it's got a center pleat there. Okay, now this blue, the green and white. This is also a very rare
42
combination.
plus.
42 plus. So the bottle green and this green looks very nice.
899.
Only 899. 42 a formal shirt. जल्दी से order करिए. और ये particular shirt, ये official shirt है again, and the fabric is really cotton, but it's silky, and it's got a lot of work on this. You
42
see the
plus.
buttons and everything. 42 plus. Size 899
899.
and a fantastic shirt. ये देखिए, ये richness आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. Shirt is really outstanding because this matches with the collar. So a formal beautiful shirt, 899, 42. Okay, medium, size medium, 42. A lovely light grey and dark grey thread with light grey.
899.
Formal shirt, 899. Moving on to the bigger sizes, I think now this is extra large. The size looks like a 43.
43.
Send in your screenshots. It's a lovely light linen fabric, and there you can see there, made in Turkey article. Very nice, thin linen fabric, formal shirt.
899.
Okay, 42 plus again, 42, 43, could even be 44.
44.
So a very unique shirt there. We'll show you, zoom in. It says medium. It's a US size. तो ये size थोड़े बड़े होंगे. It's got this unique work on it. Endless energy systems, and that's Durango, Colorado, a state in America. ये देखिए ये काफी broad है. So it's got this lovely work at the back.
899.
Springfield, a label from Europe. Very light fabric.
42.
Very nice fabric. One of the best fabrics tonight. Very nice, thin, and it's got that rich feel. Size 42 plus.
42.
Yeah.
899.
Formal shirt. Again, 42. Yeah, this looks like a 42.
42.
It's a lovely formal shirt. Pure formal shirt. So any customer interested,
899.
we get lots of customer queries where they want formal shirts. This is a classic example. Size 42 with the pocket. A lovely, rich formal shirt. Neat and clean piece. $8.99. Customers, please send us your
899.
screenshots with your name, address, phone number so that we can
44.
revert back easily, and there is no exchange refund during the sale.
44.
This is a very nice piece, and you can see the label there. Size 42 plus.
899.
Okay, on Oxford it's got a print. You can see the print, all over print, and this is placed right in the center. Size large, which is 42
40,
plus. 40
44.
could be 44, and it's got the work here. So a lovely light Oxford shirt. This is the design in between these two parallel lines which are running straight down, and it's got a pleat at the back. So size
899.
44.
44.
Viewers, this is a size 42.
42.
ये गलती से extra large के bunch में आ गया, but it's a size 42. We've measured it. Unique shirt, very short collars. It's got this lovely small little pocket here, very nice. So
899.
only $8.99. A beautiful, very unique shirt. You can quickly grab it. Size 42. $8.99.
899.
ये देखिए, neat, clean, fresh. You can feel the fabric. इतना fresh and classy है, and crispy fabric. ये देखिए, regular fit. It's got this label here. Beautiful label. Size 44.
44.
Looks like a 44. Formal shirt.
899.
A lovely formal shirt with a pleat at the back.
899.
Okay, here. Now this is knitted fabric. Knitted यानी t-shirt का fabric है, and ये देखिए stretchable भी है,
44
और
plus.
ये है 44.
44, 45.
Yeah, it could be a 43, 44. Send us the screenshot.
899.
पीछे प्लीट है, नहीं है. Okay. Only $8.99. ठीक है,
899.
हटाइए. Next article. We move on to the next article. ये देखिए. No, I think कुछ गड़बड़ है. ये this is not extra large. We'll measure this article. ये देखिए, yeah. It's 20 and a half, which is 41.
41. 899.
ये देखिए. Lots of whites, because from all over the country we get lots of requests for whites. This is a very thin fabric, and a cotton fabric, and size 44.
44. 899.
Only $8.99. ये देखिए, this looks like a 44 thin fabric, unique, classy piece. You can see here the work here, and there you can see there. And what does it say? A smart, slim fit. And Dean is
42
the
plus.
probably the style of the shirt, but you can see, viewers, it's a very classy shirt. Jaldi se grab kariye.
$8.99.
It's a very thin and nice fabric, and the color combination and the checks are fantastic. Okay, we move on to the next one. This is size 44 again. We are showing you extra large. Again, the placement is the eagle's right in the center of the pocket.
44 size.
There you can see, and this is stretchable material fabric.
899. 899. ये सेल आ गया आपके लिए.
जी ये देखिए लवली विंटरिश कलर प्री विंटर आर्टिकल, ये देखिए ब्रश्ड कॉटन,
ये 44 प्लस है।
एंड ये इजी इज द लेबल, यूएस लेबल 44 प्लस। पीछे से दिखाइए प्लीट है कि नहीं, प्राइस भी बताइए।
899।
899। Okay, now this shirt I think my guess is it should be 42.
42।
गलती से आ गया है, बट अ वेरी वेरी नाइस शर्ट व्यूअर्स। आई एम श्योर इसके लिए बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स क्वेरी डालेंगे, तो जस्ट सेंड इन योर रिक्वेस्ट एज सून एज यू सी दिस आर्टिकल, and it's a fantastic shirt. Now this thread work is part of the style, it is not a reject. We have checked these pieces and these are all
899
defect free, authentic articles. So lovely half shirt, size 42, light
42.
cotton, and इसमें stretch है कि नहीं पवन, लगाइए ताकत। नहीं,
नहीं।
okay, no, there's no stretch।
899।
890। Okay, this is a lightweight
44।
fabulous इसका जो कपड़ा है कैसा लग रहा है पवन छू के?
वेरी नाइस।
Very nice. So you can see there, and that's the Lux Poplin, and they're made in Sri Lanka. It's an import article, and here it's size 44,
44.
lightweight Poplin shirt. You can see
899.
luxury. It's
ये
probably
भी
the
sale में
luxury
है।
segment, and of this particular label. So luxury जहाँ जाता है तो fabric भी अच्छा होता है, design भी अच्छा होता है, everything is classy about it. So 44 plus 899.
899।
ये देखिए lovely formal shirt again, this time the eagles moved to the left, and you can see a lovely light cotton fabric,
44।
poplin cotton fabric, ये देखिए
899।
899, so yeah, 899 flat 899, size 44,
44.
screenshots भेजिए। The reason we keep it we're showing you a little slow is that you can send us the screenshots. Now this also 44, a lovely lemon color, light fabric, can be worn for me.
899।
Only 899, जल्दी order
899.
करिए। thin fabric है, these are summer articles, 98% or 99% of all these
44
articles are summer
plus.
articles. Again 8th Avenue, now this is the 8th Avenue, 44 plus, very unique combination, color combination, बहुत ही unique color combination है। I love the grey, the beige, the tan, they're complementing each other,
899.
and which makes this product look authentic and very very different from the rest. So this is a very nice product, जल्दी से order करें। Only 899.
899।
Okay, now this is a very light shirt, formal,
44।
thin cotton formal shirt, 44 plus,
44।
white.
899।
ये देखिए thin fabric, cotton, poplin, thin,
44, 45।
the grey, the dark grey and the light grey combination, the orange with the other colors are blending really well. And okay viewers, extra large लिखा है लेकिन ये US shipment का है, so it's got to be bigger than the actual size. So this is 44 plus.
44
Send your
plus.
screenshot. It could be a 45 as well, or maybe 46 as well. So 44, 46 के बीच में, lovely texture to it. It's got the silky cotton fabric. It's got embroidery at the back, double pocket,
899।
a very classy piece. पवन बताइए रेट इसका।
899।
899, double pocket. It's a lovely chocolate brown summer shirt but winter color, so it makes, you can see, zoom in and see the, show the viewers the checks, silky feel, the lovely design. You can see the detailing, a small little pocket there, double pocket यहाँ पे, so crazy shirt, very nice with the work, the patch on the shoulders, make it look very outstanding. So amazing article. This got little work here, that's HD, stands for Harley Davidson, yeah. So
899।
899. Okay, lovely Oxford shirt, viewers. 44, 46, a neat, clean Oxford shirt. So neat and clean condition. This is probably just maybe 6 months old, not very old article. You can see the freshness on it. It's a beautiful, outstanding piece. We're giving it to you at a reduced, a very reduced price. 8.99.
8.99.
A lovely Oxford full sleeve shirt. Okay. Again, 44, 46.
44.
Light weight
8.99.
and a lovely color there. A very nice summer color. Formal shirt. पीछे pleat है? No, it doesn't have pleat. So 44, 46 that was. This is also again 44, 46. A lovely blue.
46.
And you can see this label, Charles Strait. It's a luxury brand. It's a luxury label. इनके articles automatically, if you convert the currency, over 10,000 to 15,000 के बीच में होते हैं. So it's got a lovely texture. All it needs is ironing. It's probably 1 or 2 seasons old. That's the lovely thread work there, the logo, and it's about 44, 46. We are giving it to you at a crazy price. पीछे दिखाइए. Only 8.99 for this particular article. We'll show you the sleeves. The sleeves have authentic buttons and everything. So lovely article. Viewers, quickly order. ये देखिए. Now a casual shirt, denim, and that's a label. नीचे करिए थोड़ा. Yeah, selected home. So
44.
semi-luxury shirt. The fabric on the denim is a lovely wash, so silky denim hai. And the lovely buttons, size 44. You can see the push buttons all through. The stone push buttons and the lovely V pattern here at the back.
8.99.
8.99, size 44 plus 44, 46. A lovely formal shirt.
44 plus 46.
सारे बड़े साइज दिखा रहे हैं हम. A lovely formal shirt, crispy shirt, neat, clean shirt. So you're getting it at a crazy price, 8.99. Okay, viewers, these shirts are between size 41 and 42. ये देखिए, lovely cotton, lightweight, and casual shirt.
41, 42.
And it's got this roll up sleeves, 2 buttons. आप roll करके अंदर से ये loop होगा. If you want me to show it, I can show it because it looks really classy. You roll up the sleeves, wear it on bootcut jeans or any kind of jeans, and wear some nice boots. You'll look really, you'll stand out from the crowd. So it's a very smart article. It's got that flap inside, and here you can just roll up the buttons here. So this, both sides like that. 8.99
8.99.
flat price. ये देखिए, 2 pockets, all over print, light fabric,
40, 41.
pure cotton. 40, 41. ये mix हो गए थे, तो we just pulled them out. We measured them. They are between size 40 and 42 के बीच में.
8.99.
All flat 8.99.
8.99.
Thomas Bean coming up. A very unique, rare label. TCU, you can see there, and again it's the measurement. Pawan, बताइए.
40.
40, yeah, around 40,
8.99.
41. So a lovely linen shirt, really summerish shirt.
41.
European label, CNA, a linen half shirt, 41, 42.
8.99.
A lovely, fresh, neat color and fabric. Okay, viewers, this is a lovely denim shirt.
40, 41.
40, 41. That's the size there.
8.99.
It's XL for teens, but the measurement is about a 41, 42. पीछे दिखाइए.
Yeah.
A light denim shirt, plain, light fabric, thin fabric, can be worn up to 35, 38 degrees, or
8.99.
even 40 degrees. So it's a summer shirt, flat 8.99.
8.99.
Okay, a black
40,
thin shirt,
41. 40, 42.
42.
42.
Yeah, 42. Thin black, can be worn formally also.
8.99.
Okay, this is a pre-winter article. It's brushed cotton and a lovely, you can see this deer here sitting on the
42.
left
42.
of the pocket, left corner of the pocket. You can see there ANF with this extra padding. So outstanding article. 2 button,
42
2
size.
pockets, and fabric is crazy. Can be worn up to 32, 34 degrees. So it's not a very thick shirt. It's brushed cotton pre-winter article. 2 pockets.
899
Size बताइए.
42
42 plus.
899
Okay, this is again 42.
42
Yeah, this is 42.
899
And Oxford shirt with the pony there.
899
40.
4
4. Okay, 44. I think Pavan has measured this. Lovely silky feel on the fabric, and it's got this broad stripes, extra broad stripes, and it's got this the works here. So it's well designed shirt, and again broad stripe, horizontal stripes, and here you can see the work there. 44.
4
पीछे ज़्यादा मत दिखाइए. Okay. Yeah. You can see the work there. Okay. So this is size 44. 899. Viewers, quickly order. We are almost edging towards the end of the sale. Size 44.
44 plus.
Scalpers 44. You can see this unique logo, the skull with the two bones, and a light fabric.
44 plus.
44 plus, 44, 46. So very nice box check, red and white.
899
A black, very nice shirt. It's got these, lovely, what do you call them? Cufflinks. Sorry, cufflinks. So they're already fitted with cufflinks. You can see there. Cufflinks here. It's got this
46.
embroidery, and this is size 44, 46. जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए. फैब्रिक बहुत अच्छा है. ये जो स्ट्राइप्स इनग्रेव्ड है, डार्क ग्रे विद द ब्लैक, मेक्स इट लुक वेरी क्लासी, वेरी आउटस्टैंडिंग, वेरी यूनिक एंड ऑसम शर्ट.
899 899
जी, ये देखिए. दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस शर्ट अगेन फ्रॉम यूरोप. द ट्री देयर
44 plus.
with the
46.
embroidery, button down, custom fit, and you can see the work here. It's got this elbow rest, elbow patch. So elbow patch at the back. पीछे से दिखाने का इसका
46.
फायदा है क्योंकि it's got work at the back. It's got this elbow rest at the back, this patch, and looks very nice. Short collars, formal shirt can be worn
899
formally.
है.
Only 899 flat price. You're not going to get these unique shirts anywhere. जल्दी से order करिए. Ultra thin. Then this shirt is about 20 grams. Very
44
thin, and a beautiful tropical blue there. You can see, very
44.
nice, very thin fabric. Just needs ironing. Size 44. देखिए कितने बताइए हिंदी में व्यूअर्स को कैसा है ये, और
Very
वेट
nice.
वाइज किस हल्का है या
हल्का,
भारी है?
हल्का।
बहुत ही
बहुत
हल्का
ही
है.
हल्का है।
अल्ट्रा थिन, अल्ट्रा लाइट वेट.
इसको आप फोल्ड करके पॉकेट में भी रख
बिल्कुल
सकते हैं।
पॉकेट में रख सकते हैं. यू कैन जस्ट स्क्वीज इट एंड पुट इट इन योर पॉकेट. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस शर्ट. सो जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए.
ये भी 899
899. पीछे ज्यादा मत दिखाया करो बस. ओके, ये नेक्स्ट शर्ट, ऑल बिगर साइजेस.
46
46,
899
899,
899
only 899, right? Very short placket there, and classy buttons. ये black buttons, बहुत अच्छा है. Label you can see there, and this is import article made in. Viewers, unheard of brand, very thin fabric, formal shirt, and this is a faded look it's got. It's not worn out. It's part of the style. You can see Santa Marta. Santa Marta is the label. It's from South America. You can see the lovely work on it. The fabric is very silky cotton, thin fabric for extreme heat, even up to 45-50 degrees. So it's size 46, 48, formal shirt.
46 48
To put it in a nutshell, it's a unique product, very unique. इसका भाई कहीं नहीं मिलेगा पूरे हिंदुस्तान में. आप इनको जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए. ये very classy है. ये देखिए, and you're getting it at a very
899
reduced price, sale price. 899, 899.
899
Size 46, है ना?
46
46. Okay, Land's End. This is a perfect size 44. US label for someone really tall because this is American brand. So 6 feet plus के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. इसका length extra long length है, and it's got this U cut at the bottom, and outstanding again article you can see there. and that's the
44
work on the pocket. 44 is the width,
899.
but the length of this is going to be a little longer. Now viewers, this is a very nice shirt. I wish I had smaller sizes in this, because I think this is one of the best shirts tonight.
48
But नहीं 48 नहीं है, बहुत ही बड़ा size है ये. We'll measure it. It's a
Big
double
size.
XL, and it's got this flying goat there. It's a very nice, formal, exquisite shirt for official board meetings and for other things. पीछे जाइए थोड़ा सा. हाँ. ये देखिए. You know, it's a double XL. I think it should be a 50 plus. Oh yeah, it's 28. So 28 is 40, 48, 49, 50, 56. So size 56.
big
So it's a extra big size, double XL, 56. So viewers, I don't know if you want to alter it or something. It's a must-have shirt in your closet. Outstanding. You're getting it at a very low price. 899 में ही मिलेगा आपको.
899.
अगर ये fresh में होता, I would have probably sold it for triple the price. Okay. So move on to the next article. ये देखिए. Size 46, I think.
46.
Maybe 46, 48, or it could even be little more than that. It's better to measure because ये US sizes है. ये देखिए. It's actually a 52. We were thinking it's a 46, but यहाँ लिखा large है. It is a size 50 plus, 52.
899
Okay. Lovely color combination. हर चीज़ ब्रांड नहीं होता है, इसमें कलर कॉम्बिनेशन और स्टाइलिंग बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक है. ये देखिए, द ऑरेंज, द ब्लू, इट्स क्रेजी
44.
कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. द फैब्रिक इज गुड ओवरऑल. वी कैन रेट दिस मे बी 10 on 10. ये देखिए पीछे से
44
44 नीट क्लीन पीस, कैन बी worn formally.
899
Okay, we move on to this. This is also probably like a cherry on the cake. Very nice khadi fabric or linen fabric, Chinese collar.
Chinese
You can
collar.
focus, zoom in the buttons, authentic buttons. कई बार surplus में factory changes the buttons. So this is with the authentic buttons there, and it's got a single pocket shirt का बहुत craze रहता है, you know, and it's a lovely linen. I think it's two-side shirt. Which means it's a thin linen fabric. Can be worn formally as well, semi-formal shirt. Size 46.
46
And that's the label there. You can see.
899
You get it at a crazy price, only $8.99.
899 ये भी सर आपको लिए सेल में पिछली वीडियो में हमने दिखाया था 1800 का, तो ये 899 में कर दिया. ये देखो टैग के साथ में, और 2 पॉकेट है. इसमें सारे साइज है, एक्सेल, लार्ज, मीडियम, सब साइज मिल जाएंगे. जल्दी ऑर्डर करो. हैंगर के साथ में ये 899.
Okay, viewers, ये कुछ shirts हैं. I request you to zoom in. Around 15 shirts, odd shirts. इसमें around 10% या 15% minor है issues like dust, maybe dust marks or something, or maybe small little issues जो हम आपको दिखा के आपको इसलिए reduced price में आपको crazy price you're going to get. The price इसका क्या रहने वाला है?
599
599. Flat 599 just because of negligible issues, which is means आप उसको fix कर सकते हैं बाहर टेलर से or something. इसमें issue ये है कि there is no button, but when you order it, क्योंकि it is our हमारे we have a policy that we do not alter pieces or wash them and then sell it to any of the viewers. So it's
44.
any of the customers. So you can zoom in.
599
You're getting this at 599 just for a minor issue with the button भी हम आपको दे देंगे, आपको बस फिक्स करना है इसको. और ये देखिए बहुत लाइट फैब्रिक है. You can see, zoom in there. Lovely Chinese collar. Size seems like a 44, 46. पीछे दिखाइए. 44, 46. 599 flat
599
price with a minor issue there. इसमें again 44, 46 double pocket. Lovely, neat, clean, fresh piece, but minor issue दिखा दी.
ये माइनर है. यहाँ पे देखो, ये हल्का सा है.
अंदर से है, बाहर से नहीं है.
नहीं.
पीछे दिखाइए. बाहर से पीछे दिखाइए. पीछे there is no issue at the back. So it's just from inside. So this is manageable, but still we're giving you the
599.
benefit 599. जल्दी order करिए. बहुत ही minor issues का we are giving you a heavy reduction in price 599. So this is a lovely corduroy shirt, and that's the label SU straight up, and this looks like a size 42
42
baby corduroy shirt, which means very fine lines, and 599. Now this shirt, there's no issue in these shirts. जो हम आपको बता रहे हैं issue, वही है issue. इसके साथ कोई issue नहीं है. So there is no problem with this. And
42
size 42 plus 599.
599
जल्दी हम दिखाते हैं. Lovely denim shirt,
40
size 40. You're getting this at a flat price of
599
हाँ. तो बोलिए पवन, very good. The lovely excellent fabric.
599
इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बिल्कुल 599. Articles which have been here on the store for maybe 1 or 2 months,
40,
वो भी जा रहे
41.
हैं इस crazy price पे. Again 41, 42
Yeah.
summer shirt
599.
599 without any.
599
Yeah. ये देखिए
40 साइज 40
40 and 599.
599
ये 41, 42
41 40
Banana
599
Republic. लेंथ इसका थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है,
इसमें
6
कोई
feet
मायने
plus.
नहीं
कोई मायना नहीं है. Tall, it's a tall shirt, and पीछे से प्लीट है नहीं.
Plain.
ओके 599 गाइस, जल्दी से
599.
ऑर्डर करिए. ये बहुत ही
42.
क्रेजी सेल है. नीट एंड क्लीन
इसमें
फ्रेश
भी कोई
पीस,
मायने नहीं है
कोई मायना नहीं है. 599
599
आउटस्टैंडिंग फैब्रिक. लेबल हम आपको दिखा चुके हैं. ये भी
ये
40
भी कोई
41.
40,
जल्दी से
41.
ऑर्डर करिए. 599 599. ये देखिए इसका यहाँ पे है, सी ऑन द स्लीव्स. कैन बी worn formally and casually. 599. जल्दी ऑर्डर
599.
करिए, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग द सेल फर्स्ट कम
इसमें
फर्स्ट
कोई
बेसिस
मायने
पे
नहीं
है. नो माइनर, नीट एंड क्लीन पीस.
599
599.
42
ओके इसका साइज पवन 42.
42
Yeah, looks like a 42 formal shirt, stripes. इसमें I think there is a minor. There's a minor dust mark here. 599. इसलिए it goes in 599. Okay, ultra thin cotton shirt,
46 साइज
size 46. Neat, clean, fresh, ultra thin, which means बहुत ही see-through shirt है. But इसमें issue पवन will show you. इस वजह से ये सेल में जा रहा है.
ये
And I have a suggestion for the viewers, because I don't think this stain will go. You can convert this into a half shirt.
इसको
So you're
half
getting
कर
it.
सकते हैं।
इसको half कर सकते हैं. That's the best solution. We're being very honest with you कि ये issue है. That's why this shirt goes at 599.
599
So quickly order size 50. Sorry, 46 plus. Yeah.
46
Okay. This is a very nice shirt, but इसमें एक single minor problem है.
42
And we're going to share that problem with you, and the choice is yours to grab the shirt, because आगे से from the front and everywhere, it's absolutely okay. I think somewhere in the sleeve there is a discoloration, which means दिखा दीजिए viewers को. I think there is a, yeah, here you can see there is slight discoloration over here, and that is the issue on this shirt. So you getting this for this minor issue, you can even roll this, or the other solution is convert it into a half sleeve. So दोनों shirts में half sleeve में minor problem है, but this is a outstanding first class shirt. अगर ये problem नहीं होता तो I think 5 times it could have gone the price, fetched the price. You can see the beautiful shirt
42
and lovely fabric.
599
599. Okay, lovely chambray denim shirt.
40
40, 41 size
599
and price we've told you 599. All
44 plus
44 ultra thin cotton single pocket
599
599. पीछे दिखाइए
plain
with a pleat. Okay, we'll quickly show you all four. Sorry,
42
599 के articles हैं.
599
42 plus Oxford shirt checks में. इसमें कोई इशू तो नहीं है पवन?
नहीं कोई इशू नहीं
सो परवन ने थरोली चेक किया इन पीसेस को. जो भी पीस में छोटे मोटे माइनर पाए गए हैं वो
42
हमने आपके साथ साझा किया है. एंड वी honestly told you what the issue is, and ये shirt just comes fits in our
599
policy कि ये एक महीने से हमारे रैक्स पे है, so we're giving you crazy price.
इनमें
क्योंकि
कोई-
इसी के कुछ शर्ट्स हैं जो 9 वो हायर प्राइस पे हैं.
इनमें कोई रिटर्न नहीं होगा.
बिल्कुल नो रिटर्न एक्सचेंज और रिफंड ड्यूरिंग द सेल. ये देखिए 42 प्लस 44 भी हो सकता है ये
599
जी.
599.
ये देखिए
42 प्लस.
इसका टेक्सचर यू कैन फील दैट इट्स गॉट अ वेरी पीच. जो फ्रूट होता है उसका टेक्सचर है, ऐसे ग्रैन्यूल्स हैं.
599.
वेरी नाइस. 599 में यू गेट अ साइज 44. And this another classic example has been sitting on the racks for the last 2.5 months.
44,
So it goes at
44,
599.
45. 599.
This shirt 42,
42.
599.
599.
Okay, this is a lovely shirt and इसमें बताइए व्यूअर्स को कोई माइनर इशू है? मेरे ख्याल से है. इसमें डस्ट मार्क्स है.
Dust mark है.
यहाँ पीछे डस्ट मार्क है, यहाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा डस्टी है. So after a wash it will be settled. It will be neat and clean and new हो जाएगा. So we do not wash any garment and sell it. So we are sharing with you. So you get this lovely push button. इसका स्टाइल बहुत अच्छा है and all time low price है.
ये भी 599.
Size looks like a 42. ठीक है. Now viewers, this is going to be the last segment of this sale, and this is going to be at a slightly higher price. तो हमने last of the lot हमने इनको रखा है. These are exquisite shirts. Something really crazy and really costly shirts, and most of them are luxury shirts. So this would be flat pawan 1199 or 1200 हम कह सकते हैं 1200 रुपए.
1200.
We're giving you flat price 1200, a formal shirt with a pocket and a grey croc, a lovely grey croc there.
42.
And 42 plus. So you can quickly
1199.
1199. It's got pleats on the side, silky cotton fabric, formal shirt. जल्दी से आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. Flat 1200. So each shirt flat 1200. This is Oxford.
1200.
Looks like a 41, 42.
41, 42.
So Oxford, green and white stripe with the lovely crocodile right at the.
1200. 1200.
Okay.
44
ये देखिए.
प्लस. 44 प्लस. चाइनीज कॉलर.
Formal shirt and
1200.
flat 1200. So
1200.
size आप बता चुके हैं. ये देखिए. And this is what sharp fit and the size is mentioned there, 16 and a half, which is a 44, 46. Okay, a pre-winter shirt. So you have this
44
guy
plus.
right in the center. आप देखिए lovely green and
44 plus.
it's a 44, 46. So a lovely thin
1200.
baby corduroy shirt.
1200.
Good enough for up to 35, 38 degrees. So all over India ये चल सकता है article. Okay, a formal shirt. It's a bit crushed but just needs ironing.
44 plus. 44, 45.
44 plus, yeah. And
1200.
flat 1200.
Formal.
Another formal shirt, very thin, crispy cotton.
42, 43.
They're all very nice for office wear. Very nice shirt. So plain at the back.
1200.
Okay, linen
Baras.
shirt coming up. A very unique
44.
linen shirt. आप देख सकते हैं the color combination, the vertical stripes. The fabric is linen, pure linen, and that's the size they mentioned, medium, 42 plus,
1200.
flat 1200. Okay, viewers, now this looks a little dull. This is the styling. It looks, this is
44
style.
plus.
The particular color deliberately, on purpose इसको dull रखा है. That's part of the look of the shirt. आप ये देख सकते हैं. You can zoom in this beautiful. You can see that orange label there, and you can see the label here. It's got this. So outstanding. You can see 44 plus,
44 plus.
thin
1200.
fabric, and you can see the texture here, and this it's got this little. So flat 1200.
1200 1200
Oxford formal shirt. ये देखिए, unique article, Halbert's style, and it's
40
got this
42 43
World War II glider sitting there, and very nice shirt. All 44. It's got at the back. It's got some work at the back. Pawan is showing us. Yes, thank you, Pawan, for showing us. This is Halbert's at the back.
1200
Okay, and this last shirt for tonight.
Half
So
sleeve.
lovely. 3D.
44
3D, which means up you can feel it in the fingers also. Even if you close your eyes, you can feel it's got these 3D stripes, and you can see the label there.
1200
44 plus,
44.
lovely summer shirt, 1200 flat. So guys, thank you. It's the end of, and we've delivered what we had promised. We promised 3 back-to-back videos. This is the second one, and the third one will be released next week, early next week. And we've shown formal, casual, and authentic brands in this video, especially shirts. And usually हम जब shirts दिखाते थे थोड़ा सा 30, 40, 50 की quantity दिखाते थे. इस बार हमने we've shown you almost 100, 125 shirts. So which makes the video a little lengthy, but it is worthwhile. So we would request you to, we've done it size-wise as well, and look into your size, send us the screenshots with your name, address, and especially newcomers, please send us your name, address, phone number, complete details so that we can quickly process your order during sale. एक ही article के लिए there are many queries, so this is a sincere request to you, and sincere thanks to all the customers who've been with us since the beginning. I really hats off to them, and I thank them from all my heart. And happy festive season to everybody. And last words from Pawan coming up. Pawan,
ये
any
आपके
advice?
लिए 100 शर्ट का वीडियो आ गया है, आप जल्दी ऑर्डर करिए। हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता जो चीज़ सोल्ड हो जाती है, हमें बार बार फिर दिक्कत होती है, सभी को बोलना पड़ता है सर सोल्ड हो गया, सर सोल्ड हो गया, तो हमें ये चीज़ बुरा लगता है।
तो कहने का मतलब है फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट बेसिस है बेसिकली. सेम आर्टिकल के लिए there are many queries, so whoever is lucky enough to send us the screenshot, we will give them preference, first preference. So thank you, viewers. Thank you. It's been a really wonderful journey with all of you, and thank you once again, and I hope you like, share, and like the channel and video as well. Thank you so much.